Hello, entrepreneurs. Remember, we are breaking down those 7 minimum degrees your business needs so that it can be separated from you as a personal owner of the business. This is a way for your business to grow. Remember, most entrepreneurs, we start out, you're the owner, you're everything, and that usually means that your personal is connected to everything. We talked about the first one. We talked about the EIN, the employee identification number. And a lot of times you can go to CPAs. I've had people do this so many times. They go to them, they say, oh, that's not necessary right now. You can wait till the business grow. That is for CPAs are giving you that information for tax purposes. And they're thinking tax-wise, tax savings, the benefits you get, your business hasn't really grown, whatever. That is not the same advice that you would give somebody starting out in business, because you want that business to be and to grow, to be powerful and to grow. And it can't grow connected to you. It has to be independent, because if the business and you remain connected, one of your growth is going to be stifled. And 9 times out of 10, it's the entrepreneur's personal, personal or business, either one. So you don't want anything to be stifled. You want to be able to grow on every level. And the more you expand your opportunities, expand your credit, expand your reach, the more opportunities you'll have for advancement and growth. So the second step in those 7 degrees would be getting a bank account. So another thing that a lot of people would tell you, a lot of stuff, would say, hey, for right now, you can keep everything together. The thing about right now, when that's going to end. So how do you know when you're going to have a big sale? How do you know when you say, oh, now I can separate it? And then at what point do you separate it? You don't want to do business that way. Start out with, because think about it, you are the entrepreneur, so you're going to have to make an investment anyway. Take $100 and open a business account. Most business accounts can be opened with less than that, but you want to start somewhere. Start with $100, even if it means that you take money every payday while you're still working and you put it in that business account. Open that business account. It's about starting when you go to open the business account, whether you do it online or you have to go in person, either way, you're developing a relationship with the banker, which is crucial. Most people get their funding from banks, and it starts with that banking relationship. You want to make sure that you have that bank account, that you're using that EIN that you've gotten for that bank account, so that you now have it separate. That's another way for them to look at what's coming in. It's a way for credit to be extended to you. It is just so much in having that bank account and that banking relationship. A lot of people these days are moving past banking relationships simply because they don't understand how it works. And there are tools out there. I know there's one bank here in Texas. It is probably not your most popular bank. It's actually located in a lot of Walmarts, but on their website they have a complete detailed account of how banking works. So you know how you do a transaction and the transaction is pending, then you may not see it, and then it comes back and explain it to you when the demand on the deposit may be and stuff like that, which is what most people, that's why they avoid banks. So let's just say you go to Walmart. I go to Walmart a lot. I do a lot of pickup. Whenever I do my pickup order, immediately Walmart will tell you at the end that we're going to put a hold on your account for this amount of money, and you will see their transaction pending. Well, that might be Friday night and I'm picking up on Saturday morning. The charge really will not go through my account until maybe that Monday. So you have to be aware of what's going on in your bank account, because if you see it that first time pending and then you go back and it's not there and you think, oh, I got some more money, or I got more than I thought, and now you're spending. 9 times out of 10, most of my clients have that exact scenario, and that's their frustration, which is why they say they're leaving banks. But we must have banking relationships to do business. So you want a separate bank account. You want that bank account separate from your personal. I always get this question. A lot of entrepreneurs say, well, I'm paying my bills out of that account. Stop it. Whenever you get ready to pay your bills, If you're at the same bank, it's easy. You transfer money from your business account to your personal account. You pay your bills that relate to your household from your personal. If it is a business expense, then you pay it from your business account. It's just that simple. I have so many people in bookkeeping that come to me and they want to bring me all of these receipts. And I always tell them, I really don't care about receipts. You can find a receipt on the ground and pick it up and say it was your business expense. All of the seminars, I remember when they used to do those seminars and say, hey, look at all the things you can write off and, just write on your receipt, business lunch or whatever. That stuff doesn't matter. Think about it. In the end, did you start your business so you could have tax savings because you just had so much money laying around and you wanted tax savings? Or did you start your business to make money? I'll wait. Most of you start your business to make money. You got tired of your 9 to 5. You knew you had a business in you. You wanted to make your own money and you wanted your business to grow. So what did you do? You started a business. You're not necessarily looking for write-offs. Write-offs are good. I'm not saying that. But everything in its place and in its time. And that's what's so crucial. Many times we're doing things that we heard, but we're doing them at the wrong time, implement them in the wrong place, and we're killing our results. Everything we're talking about with these 7 degrees that you need to separate your business from personal is all about making your business independent, allowing your business to grow, as well as allowing you to grow personally. So a lot of entrepreneurs are usually working and doing their business. Nothing wrong with that. I love that because it's another way to ensure you keep your money separate. Those are the things that matter when it comes to separating your business from personal. Like a lot of whenever people are looking to get a loan, or especially right now, logistics is a big business. You got people with box trucks, dump trucks, and they're getting in. And I have a lot of clients that are in that business. When they're looking to go expand their business, maybe to add on another truck, you don't want it to have to go. You do not want the lender. Let me be clear when I say you don't want it. You do not want your loan. You do not want the lender to have to look at your business and your personal to decide whether or not you qualify. When you separate your business income from your personal income, you guarantee that your business can qualify to get the truck or whatever it needs independently of you as the owner. That allows the owner to still do things that they want to do, whether it's buy a home, buy a boat, buy a personal car, help a kid through college. You want to keep everything separate. If you separate it, then you allow it to grow. It's been your girl, the Queen Bee, breaking down those steps of the 7 minimum degrees you need for your bit of separation for your business and your personal to grow. Bye-bye.